Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is a novel deep learning approach for the accurate cancer type and then subtype identification. Our project abstract: the cancer is a disease where to the abnormal cells grow to the uncontrollability and spread to the other body parts. It contains to the originate anywhere in the human bodies which consent to the cells. These cells are continuously divided to the body needed as the cells age to the certain damages. That naturally undergoes to the object. So we have deducting to the new cells to take the place. Our research to use to the secondary data set from the Kaggle and comparing to the overall 1,30,000 images represent to the various type of cancer type. We developed the novel deep learning model capable to that detecting and classify the cancer and early stage with remarkable accuracy. The model classified to the 8 primary cancer type and 26 subtypes, each represented by the 5,000 images. Our approach combined to the various computational tools, including to the pre-trained model, convolutional neural network, and machine learning and deep learning classifications such as to the KNN and then SVM. KNN means K nearest neighbor, and then SVM means support vector machine, and then inventive to the multimodal architecture and merge to the convolutional neural network model. Long short term memory, the LSTM hybrid, we are applying to that two designate for the classification stage. First one, our that main class and then subclass identification achieve to the higher accuracy from the CNN model. Finally, we are using to the Gates fusion techniques applied to the after prediction, reduce to the multi-classification and enhance to the certainty of the cancer type. Our finding to the great accuracy level of the 99.25% of the accuracy for the primer cancer classification and 97.80 for the subclassification. They introduced to the novel model the VGG 16 and inspections. After to the Vmobilenet integrated to the LSTM, further advanced diagnostic capabilities again to that post prediction and then Vmobility and Vspection model. We are achieving to the main classification algorithm and then subclass accuracy model signification to the boost model confidence. However, to the individual KNN achieved to the accuracy for the PCA method. These study not for the set of new benchmark in the cancer type, but also to the promise to improve to the patient's care and then treatment of the outcome signification. Our project flowchart is: first we can start with the anaconda navigator spider tool, and then we have find out to the multi-type of cancer, and we are applying to the cancer type images dataset. We are loading to the pre-processing step and then feature extraction. We are splitting to the 80% of training and 20% of testing using to the model training algorithm DenseNet plus VGG 16 algorithm. After that we have predict to the image, so we can upload to the image and which one is that we have find out to the multi-cancer, brain or the breast or the kidney, oral or the lung. So 5 type of the disease we have find out. Finally we have calculate to the metric analysis and into the process. So we can move on to the streamlet and then we have upload to the image. We have predict to that if that disease the cancer will be occur or not. We have check it out. Our project execution based, so totally 5 codes. So one is a brain, another one is a breast, after to the kidney, after to the lung part, and after to the oral cancer. So first we have read to the image data set. So this is a brain part, after to the lung part, and then kidney, after to the oral, after to that the oral, and then lung is a colon wise, and then after to the kidney part. So we can run the code. First we have upload to the image data sets. So after the pre-processing we have spread to the image data. After to the model training, so we get the 95 above percentage of the accuracy. We have trained to the model. We have set. So the accuracy will be improved and loss will be reduced. Next we can move on to the web page. Is a type of that cancers, brain, breast, kidney, lung and oral. So we have checked to the breast cancer, means we have clicked to the breast cancer icon. It's move on to the next page. We can upload to the image. So once you have click to the breast cancer, means is move on to the breast cancer part. We can upload to the image data. It's predicted to the which type of the cancer will be occur. We have to count. It's training to the each model for the once getting to the accuracy, means we can move on to the next model part. So this is a breast cancer awareness of the month. So we have entered to that breast cancer image, upload to the image. We have find out to the which type of the image will be there. We have checked it on this cancer will be occur or not, we have checked it. So we can upload to the image data and automatically predict to the if the disease will be occur or not, we have checked. It's malignant or that benign category. So we can upload to the image. And automatically predict to that disease part. It's take to time. It's predicted to the breast benign category. It's showing to that prediction part and click
breast_malignant.
the voice will be displayed that. Thank you.